Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the Batman's mobile game FPS drop test and the temperature and heating test in the Poco X3 Pro device. Right now as you can see friends, I'm trying to use the Poco X3 Pro which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset. And right now in the beginning of starting the test, the temperature is about close to 33 degrees Celsius. And let's see friends how much temperatures we can actually see increase in the Poco X3 Pro device after some time. Maybe after 10 minutes of gameplay, we'll try to observe exactly the difference, how much it can actually increase up to. Right now try to observe the real-time FPS meter, how much it was able to maintain. Not bad, it was able to maintain pretty good regarding the team deathmatch. Overall FPS, as you can see from 90 FPS it's maintaining. And I'm trying to use the Realme gaming triggers during this process of demonstration in this Poco X3 Pro device. Exactly. As you can see, overall 88 FPS I'm getting, not bad. 87 it's maintaining. Let me know in the comment section below friends, in case if you are experiencing any kind of touch issues in the Batman's mobile game or not. Sometimes are you facing any kind of touch issues? Because some of the users did mention that they are facing this kind of touch issues as well. Right now as you can see friends, it's working pretty good without much kind of problems. So you can see the real-time FPS it's maintaining 88, and I'm trying to use the Game Turbo as well. Game Turbo 4.0 which I did install at this moment in the Poco X3 Pro device. Sometimes it's not working that accurate regarding the touch response. This is a performance mode which I did select using the Game Turbo 4.0 in the Poco X3 Pro device. So I started to do this kind of Batman's mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test recently because few of the users they want to buy some gaming mobile phone in the 2022. That's the reason I thought of mainly highlighting this kind of things. So this might be the reason why you're seeing so many videos on this Batman's mobile game 90 FPS. And 37 degrees Celsius the phone did increase during this process of testing. On the back side it's 36 degrees, on the front side is 37 degrees Celsius. Right now we'll be able to get to know exactly how is overall experience. Sometimes if I try to use another gaming trigger, I mean two gaming triggers if I try to use, the phone was unable to perform properly. That there is some kind of touch issue problems if I try to use the two gaming triggers. That's the reason I did not use two gaming triggers. Overall I did use only one. As you can see it's not, it's going upside, right? Sometimes it's not staying accurately. I did not turn on any kind of game gyro sensor as well. But overall as you can see the FPS was able to maintain pretty good. 4 kills, not bad. Six kills, pretty good. Wow, shit, just missed. So let's try again. Not bad. Let's see now. I need to get him up. So right now as you can see the FPS was able to maintain pretty good and stable. Pretty decent FPS I'm getting. Let's take him out right now. As you can see, it's not bad. It was able to maintain pretty good regarding the FPS count overall. Got him. Yes. Oh shit. Reload, reload, reload. Move back, move back. No. As you can see, it's not bad regarding the overall FPS it's maintaining. And I'm trying to play the game for about close to 7 minutes of time. I'll try to check the temperatures, what's happening as well. It's not going sometimes downward. That's what I did feel when I'm trying to press. I did try to take the gaming sleeve. Maybe because of the gaming sleeve I thought it might be happening. So it's not going downward sometimes. I mean, it's not moving. And the final kill is mine. Yes, now let's say the temperatures, what is happening. 39.8 degrees Celsius, showing 40 degrees with 26 kills. Not bad. 26 we got finally. Let's check out in the temperatures. I mean, the battery settings, how much it's showing in the battery settings. Let's go to the battery immediately. 41 degrees showing in the battery settings. As you can clearly see, in the battery it's showing really high. And on this FPS monitor, it's showing about 51.8. I'm not sure how it's possible. Maybe inside the GPU or the CPU might be that much high temperatures, but it did show 51.8. Playing for about close to 8 minutes of time exactly. You can see the results, friends, in the Poco X3 Pro device. Definitely the phone feels really good, but sometimes I do feel this kind of maybe lag. I'm not sure, maybe we need to increase the touch sensitivity, I guess, while gaming, because it's not that smooth when I'm trying to move down or maybe upwards. But 26 scales, not bad. Last match, let's try. So I'm trying to improve even my gameplay while gaming, while doing this kind of gaming reviews as well in all the phones. So using the GFX tool and config file only, you will be able to play this kind of 90 FPS at this moment in this Poco X3 Pro device. I mean, moving after using the scope, moving up and down, it's kind of little bit kind of slow. Now it's pretty fast. After using the scope, a little bit slow. That's what I did feel sometimes. What he's doing? Oh my God. So now let's see from this side what's happening. Oh, where is it going? Bye, एक बार पीछे देखो भाई. So 88 and 90 FPS, not bad. Oh. I got him down. So this is a quick gameplay review on the Poco X3 Pro device playing at 90 FPS, and overall the temperature seems to be increasing above 40 degrees obviously. Will increase if you try to play at 90 FPS. Not only in this phone, in every phone also it will try to increase playing at 90 FPS. And after a few minutes, I'll try to stop the gameplay, friends. Only 10 minutes I thought of recording, not more than that.
Killing spree for the blue team. The blue team is in the lead.
I think the other guy is always sleeping there. So because of touch, it's not that response when I'm trying to use the scope. That's the reason. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And see you in the next video unless for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off until then. Let's take him down and then bye. Let's take this guy and let's take him down. We got, I think the other guy is always sleeping over there. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.